Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have Excel open and a column or row of values. Start now by confirming those entries are numeric. If a cell looks numeric but won't add, convert it with paste special values or use the value function. Next, click the first cell of your range and Shift+, click the last cell to highlight everything you want to sum. Make sure the selected cells show the number or currency format so totals calculate and display correctly as you proceed. Once your range is selected, move to the cell where the total belongs and type equals SUM. Then drag to highlight the same range or manually type the addresses and close with press Enter to compute the result. Alternatively, hit Auto Sum Alt plus equals and X cell will suggest a range, confirm or adjust before pressing Enter. If you need non-contiguous cells, include commas between addresses. Make sure formulas reference the correct cells. Edit the formula in the formula bar if the selected area is wrong. Once the sum appears, format that cell for decimals or currency so it reads clearly. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down or across for other rows, or copy-paste special values to freeze final numbers. If the total looks wrong, check for invisible text. Use trim or clean non-numeric characters and unhide rows or columns. One key troubleshooting tip. If SUM returns 0, verify each reference cell is numeric. Convert any text-formatted numbers and recalc to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.